Hello guys, welcome to another video. This video is again really special guys because I'm unboxing and reviewing a beautiful watch from another Indian watch brand. This is from Antriac. So without wasting much time, let's unbox this. So this is also review unit guys. Antriac has sent me this watch. I have not bought this, but I'll be showing one more watch along with this, and I've bought that specific watch actually. Love the way this is packaged. There you have it guys. It has the beautiful Antriac packaging. It says Royal. I love the crocodile finish box. It has nothing on any other side except the branding on the top. Let's open this. Alright guys, let's keep the watch outside. The watch is hugging a pillow. It says welcome to Antriac Luxury Club, 2 years of warranty, serial number of the watch, claim your loyalty points on the Antriac.com. Nothing on the back. Let me keep this back. Let me get the watch out. Alright guys, let's look at the watch. Alright guys, the first thing you would notice on this watch is everything in gold. Oh my god, this is called the Maharaja. This is definitely the Maharaja of watches guys. It looks beautiful in gold, and if you see closely, you can see a checkered pattern on the dial. It's beautiful guys. The branding of Antriac is in gold. The Antriac logo is in gold. Our minute hands and second hand is in gold. The bezel is also in gold, and it's not a rotating bezel guys, it's a fixed one. You only have the impression of minute markings on the bezel. And if you turn to the right, it's gold again. It is highly polished and reflective in nature. There is no signature on the crown. And if you turn back, it says stainless steel back, Antriac logo, and water resistant. Now the strap is beautiful soft silicone, and it's really nice guys. I love the texture of this. It's pretty soft, and the lock is an adjustable magnetic clasp. It's really good one guys. And now if you notice closely, the hour indices are applied and has the shape of an arrow tip. And I also love the groove kind of finish on the edge of the bezel. Now let's measure the weight of this watch. The weight of this watch is 79.36 grams. Let's check again. Yeah, it's around 79 grams guys. Now let's talk about the material specifications of this watch guys. Now guys, this is a very special watch from an Indian micro watch brand. I've not seen any other micro watch brand offering such unique qualities in a watch at the affordable cost at which they are selling. Now let's start with the most important one. This watch has 2 years warranty. Unlike other watch brands which usually offer warranty only on the movement, in this they are offering warranty on everything. Complete watch. When I mean that, it covers the movement, it covers the case, it covers the case coating, it covers the case color, it covers the dial color, and all the components that are used on this watch. So that's something I've not seen till now from any other watch brand. Now coming to the movement, it has Japanese Miyota movement. I'm not sure what is the movement used, but it's from Miyota, Japan. It has a water resistance of 30 meters. Glass is mineral glass. It's definitely made in India. The case material is brass with special coating. It has anti-rust coating and color fade resistance coating. The strap is silicone with a magnetic clasp. Now let's measure the physical dimensions of this watch. Case diameter 42 mm, lug to lug of 50.5, case thickness of 10.1 mm, strap size is 22 mm. Now let's understand a little bit about the brand. The name Antriac is basically inspired by two celestial diamonds, Vikantara BPM 37093 at Warstar and Cancri 55 Cancri E, a planet. This name reflects their dedication to exceptional quality both inside and out. That's one of the reasons why they offer the 2-year warranty on the complete watch. And Antriac aims to be a luxury watch brand guys, and that's the reason it says Antriac Luxury Club even on their warranty card. The founders of Antriac have several years of experience in the watch industry, and one of the important points that I've noticed is watches which are priced higher rarely differ too much in terms of quality and specifications in comparison to their lower price competition. So what they wanted to do is they wanted to offer luxury on a budget, and that's how Antriac watches was born. One of the intent of Antriac is to ensure that all their customers are well supported. This is to ensure that all their customers get after sales support. Now while we're at it, Antriac has a wide variety of collection of watches, guys, and I'm putting a screenshot on the video. And most of these watches are priced less than 2,500 rupees, and they're really value for money, offering different kinds of watches. They have different series, and these watches are only available on their website for now. Maharaja is priced at 2,199 rupees, and it's definitely a value for money, guys, for what they're offering, along with the 2 years of warranty and everything. It's really a beautiful watch. Now let's set the time. To set the time, you need to pull the crown once, guys. This doesn't have a date window, it's just a time setting. The time now is around 8:40. Now the time is set. I have only one watch to compare with this watch, guys, which is again an Antriac watch. It is the Century Azure Tiffany Blue Devanagari. There'll be one more video on this watch, guys, and I'm making another video, so keep following it. This watch, I have bought this watch, and this is not sent by the brand. I bought this watch well before they sent me Maharaja, guys, so there's no influence on the brand on this video. Now let me wear this on the wrist. Now this is how the Antriac Maharaja looks on the wrist, guys. This is really a beautiful one. I love the way it is sitting on my hand, though it's 42 little big for my wrist, but I still like it. It looks beautiful, and I definitely love the way they're promising 2 years of warranty on everything related to this watch. I love the silicone strap. I love this magnetic clasp. For a price of 2,000 odd rupees, guys, and this is definitely a value for money with Japanese movement, mineral glass, and 30 meters of water resistance with a brass case. So let me know which of the other Antriac watches would you buy. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.